Let's have a look at some of the good breakouts in the market. Currently, breakouts are working very good. So you have MDGL, which is like 2 days sideways from which it is breaking out. Stock closed near the high, so that's a good setup. You have Team, which is like had this choppy sideways move from which it is breaking out. Stock did close near the high. This is a dollar breakout. VRX, obviously, I have a huge position in VRX picked up in the morning. So VRX is the kind of breakout to look for. Like this was the first leg of the uptrend, very good sideways move, breaking out, and it closed near the high. It's already like up a lot from my entry, much earlier entry in the morning. Uh, so True. This is another one. The only thing which I find slightly negative about this is that it's up 3 days in a row. But this is a consolidation, and this was a 0.66% day, and this was 0.38. So uh, you can ignore that. That looks like a good setup. BHVN, the biotechnology stocks are doing well. This is like a breaking out. This is a IPO, 4% breakout. Did close near the high. This is a IPO breakout, Dropbox, and then you have GSSD, Goosehead, which is another IPO breakout. Didn't close near the high, little bit like, and again ended up giving up little bit of gains. But this is a low threshold breakout. Fiesta Restaurant Group breaking out from a sideways move. Then you have this is a nice breakout. Another one sideways move. It is breaking out. MMI. This is also a low threshold breakout, like sideways from which it is breaking out. Club is another one which is breaking out 3 days sideways and then breaking out. It did close near the high, 3.95% up. Then this is a low priced one, like really very low priced one, but looks nice. Then you have Overseas Shipbuilder Holding Company, which is breaking out 4% breakout. Nice move here. If you see here, like this was almost a 26% percent move, so looks nice. And then on the short side, you have MarketX and KTX. So out of which, like, I already have a big position in VRX, and the others basically I didn't take because I already had a lot of positions fully invested.